The Ahmadiyya Muslim Community UK presents Jalsa Salana, the UK's largest Muslim spiritual convention. This unique event brings together more than 38,000 participants from over 115 countries. Join the gathering and witness unity between humanity and the Creator. Witness a global community that practices peace, love and brotherhood. Observe the flag hoisting ceremony and the International Pledge of Allegiance. Listen to the enlightening addresses of His Holiness Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, head of the worldwide Ahmadiyya Muslim community. Explore exhibitions including the Al-Quran exhibition and observe letters that the Holy Prophet Muhammad, may peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, and the promised Messiah, may peace be upon him, wrote to world leaders. And an exhibition on the magnificent signs of the promised Messiah prophesied 1400 years ago. Observe the launch of International Human Rights Committee's report on Thailand and Malaysia, highlighting the persecution of Ahmadi Muslims. Guests are welcome to join us on Friday the 2nd, Saturday the 3rd and Sunday the 4th of August 2019 at Hadikatul Mahdi, Oakland Farm, Hampshire. To register your guests, visit trueislam.co.uk or call us on 0800 917 7871.